Good afternoon. In today's video, I will talk about use to. And let me tell you that we use to talk about actions that happen regularly in the past but don't happen now, or situations that were true in the past but aren't true now. In today's video, I will talk about affirmative statements, negative statements, yes, no questions, and WH questions. Let's see. Let's start with affirmative statements. Let's go in order. And the structure that we have is the subject. We use to with all the subject. It doesn't matter if we have I or he. Then we have the verb. Sometimes we have a complement, but in some cases it is not really necessary. At the end, we're going to finish with a period. What does it mean? I used to walk to school. That it means that I walk to school before, but now I don't walk. Let's continue with negative statements. In the negative statements, we have the subject, then we continue with didn't use to. Then we have a verb, and the verb is in infinitive because before I have to. Then we have the complement, and at the end we have the period. That period is really important because it's the end of the statement or sentence. So we say, I didn't used to walk to school. He didn't used to play cards. Now, let's see the yes no questions, and we're going to know how to answer them. Okay, we start with did. Remember that did is the auxiliary for yes no questions in the past. After the auxiliary, we have the subject. Then we have used to. We continue with the verb and the complement. At the end, we have the question mark. That in English we have only one. Okay, did he used to play cards? Notice that we don't use the in used to because it's a question. We don't use the because it's a question or when we have a negative statement. Let's see how we answer this question. Did he used to play cards? Yes, he did. Or no, he didn't. Now it's time to finish with WH question, and we're going to start with a WH word that it can be what, where, how, and so on. There are more, and then we continue with the auxiliary for the simple past. It's did. Then we have the subject. In this case, we use he, but remember that did is the same auxiliary for all the subjects. Then we have used to. We continue with the verb, the complement, and the question mark. What did he used to play? We don't have a complement because the complement is not an obligation, but the question mark, that's an obligation. Okay, how to answer this question? How to answer? Let's see. What did he used to play? He used to play cards. This is how we answer this question, and this is an open question or a WH question. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.